Hi girls, and welcome back to a new video. I hope you're all doing great so far. So today finally I'm doing a full review of my Mulberry Amberley bag. I wanted to review and show you and talk about this bag for a long time now, but there were many things happening and I did other reviews, as you can see from my channel. So today is the day where I'm gonna show you my Amberley bag, how I got it, where from, and how it has been. Now I've had it for nearly 2 years, and I can give you a full opinion about it. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that I love Mulberry bags a lot because I think they are good quality and a good price as well. For the quality of the leather, the style of the bags and all, price wise it's expensive, it's not cheap as well, but comparing to other luxurious brand, it's a good price. So this is from the Amberley family, and it has many shapes, and it has many sizes. Mine is, I think this is medium, and it has a top handle, and it has as well a strap, like you can see here. So this bag, I got it from Hamad International Airport from Doha, Qatar, if you're familiar. It's a country in the Middle East, and I got it over there. They had a store at the airport, but now it is shut down, unfortunately. I don't know why, but you can still find it in their website. They have many colors, but for me black is the best. I wanted the racing green, I think, or no, yeah, I think I wanted the racing green, but again they didn't have this color. So the bag comes like this, and this is how it looks like from behind. The strap, you can remove it and put it back, it depends on your preference. And then there is these straps here where you can open, and then you can expand the bag as well and make it bigger like this. See here, it looks a bit like the Celine when you open it on the side, which is nice in a way, and you can make it look different as well, different style. So this bag is not a very large or big one. It doesn't fit a lot of things inside, but it does fit whatever you need for a day. It has a zip inside, and it has the Mulberry logo and one zipper, and it has another compartment, if you can see inside as well. It has enough space, but then you have to be careful when you put anything or a lot of things, so it still closes properly. The bag, I must say, is not one of the lightest. It is a bit heavy, and especially if you put your things inside, it gets a little heavier. So the best way to carry this bag is for work during the day, but it's not a bag which I would carry if I'm going for shopping or going for a coffee or lunch, because if you have to carry it for a long time, you get tired. But I think it's a very stylish bag. I love the way it looks, the style. I think it's unique for an branded bags. I'm not sure, I haven't seen any other brand other than like when you expand it like this, but bags who look the same I haven't seen. Let me know if you know any similar bag like this. So as I said, you can either carry it with a top handle like this, or you can carry it with a strap on your shoulder or crossbody as well. So it's very flexible. Also, the shoulder strap is adjustable. You can change to your likings whether you want it long or short. And as I said, you can remove it. What else? So the price of this is around $1,500 in the website, and I was lucky again enough to get this 50% off. So they had sale during that period when I bought it, and I managed to get it 50%. So it went down to around around $700 to $800, which is very nice for a Mulberry bag. I will leave the link in the description box of the Mulberry website and outlet as well, because you can find a lot of choices and a lot of good deals. If you want to buy a bag on a discount or on a sale period, usually the period is between May and June for summertime, and I think it's between end of December, beginning of Jan for the winter time. So you can try your luck and see during that period. So I will just show you whatever fits in the bag now. Okay, so this is my small coin wallet from Chanel, and this is my YSL card holder, which will go inside here. I've got my power bank, which I need because my phone battery doesn't last very long. I've got my tablet for reading books, and I've got my phone. Here are my sunglasses. Okay. These are my keys, house key, car key. This is my Samsung AirPods, and I've got my small perfume. This is Atelier Cologne, Orange Sunbeam. And finally, this is my Tic Tac Essential, my hand cream, and my alcohol for wiping my hands if there is no space where to wash them. You can see there is still a lot of space, a lot of things you can put, and it closes easily, and that's how it is. So like I said, it is a bit heavy, so it's not a bag you will carry the whole day with you, unless you're sitting every now and then and you're going places where you will be able to leave it on the side. Okay, what do I think about the leather? So the only thing I'm not happy with, see, I didn't take good care of it, but still I blame myself more than how the bag is or the brand. There is wrinkles here because of the usage, because sometimes I overstuff it. When I travel I carry it, and I shouldn't be carrying this bag, but I don't know, I do carry it. So this is how it looks. I don't mind this because it's from usage. The bag still looks beautiful to me. This was a second one that I have exchanged. The first one had after few use, maybe 3 or 4 use, the hardware started changing color into like silver and started scratching, and I don't find that normal for a branded bag, because the hardware must be of a good quality, because again you pay the price for it. If it was a normal handbag I wouldn't mind, but not for a branded one. So I had to exchange it, and this is what they gave me instead. And till far I don't see any scratches or a color change, so I'm happy with this so far. So of course this will not be my last bag from Mulberry, because as I said, I like the brand a lot. I like the styles of their handbags, and especially the colors. They have nice colors which you cannot find in other brands, or other brands they don't do often, like this racing green. I'm crazy about the color. It's so classy and nice. I'll put a picture of some of the bags in that color so you can see what I mean. And that's it. You can find, if you live in London, you can find Mulberry in the Bicester Village outlet. They have a branch there for a discounted handbags. Don't expect much, because the last time I've been there, the price of the bags over there is the same price when it is on sale, like not 50%, but it's like 20 to 30% off. It's good, but at least you get the choices. The problem with the high-end brands, once they finish one season, they don't do the same colors again, and sometimes they do amazing colors which you cannot put your hands on time, and then it's gone. You have sometimes the opportunity to get it from an outlet, or sometimes you don't have. Anyway, so this is my review about the Mulberry Amberley handbag. If you have any question about this bag, let me know in the comment section and I'll answer them as soon as possible. I hope this review was helpful to you and you find it useful. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.